So hey guys, this is Biswajit and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to talk about the exceptions that can happen when you can copy files from one folder to another folder. So if you have not watched my previous video on how to copy files using Python, I do encourage you to go and watch that video before watching this one. There can be many scenarios that can happen when you copy files from one directory to another directory, and I'm going to talk some few of them that I encountered. So for example, this was our copy code snippet, copy code source code. And for example, if this was my source directory and this was my destination directory, if in case you gave the source directory and the destination directory like same, so if you execute it, code python code example.py, see you are getting this same file error. So the reason being your source directory and your destination directory are the same. So this is one scenario. And I encountered another one when I wrote this source directory and destination directory. So this is actually wrong, but we get the permission denied exception. So these two exceptions you can get like pretty easily. You'll be able to get these two exceptions. This is happening because there is some issue with the directory structure. So that's why it is giving these exceptions. And the previous one I showed, your source file and your destination directory both are same. So these two exceptions can occur. And there are some few more exceptions that you can find. I'm going to share the link from where I came to know about the exceptions for the copy utility. So this shutil command, you can use it to copy files, one single file, multiple files, and you can put conditions also in here. Like if you want to copy some particular file format, you can give that conditions also. So those things are there. Let me show you how to copy those things. For example, this is my destination directory. I'm deleting this directory. This is my source directory. For example, here I have 3 files, and let me change this file name from JPG to PNG. Okay, yep, this is fine. Even this is also a wallpaper extension. So now we can do conditional copy. For example, this is my source code, and so this is the source directory. This is the file directory structure, the file name, and the base directory. Now we can do conditional copy. For example, if I do if file dot ends with dot png, then do the copy, else I'm not going to give the else part, else don't. So if I do a save and if I execute it, by the way, Control L to clear stuff, okay, on the terminal. If you don't know that, like if there are many things, if we want to clear this terminal, just use Control L and it will clear your thing. Now if I execute this python copy example.py, you see it copied only this png file. So destination, you can see it copied only the png file. Now if you want to copy the jpeg file, you know what to do. Just do jpeg over here, or you can put a not condition over here, and that's done. See, it copied only the jpeg file over here. So you can do conditional copy like you do in the programming language. You desire what you want to do with that command. So I talked about the conditional copy, I talked about the exceptions that can happen, and there are few more. I'm going to share the link with you guys. So I hope you got some like a real intuition, like how to work with Python, like how to play with it more. So, and I hope you liked it. So just give a like if you really liked it, and if you have any kind of doubts or if you have any kind of problems that you are facing, do tell me in the comment section below. And always thank you for watching. I'm going to see you in the upcoming videos.